Shameless plug. I'm not mad at it though. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Spencer here from the Soul Sandy Sneaker Podcast. Today we're going to be doing another live cop session. Today I was very successful at my Greensboro local social status. Shout out to the dudes down there for choosing to do first come first serve. That they did the right thing according to Jeremiah, and we were able to beat the final boss.
Got them Dodgers in there.
We cooked the resellers today. We the final boss. The resellers. I'm not gonna name no names, even though I kind of want to, but I might have bought 2 pairs just to spite a reseller. So, in celebration of this video, in celebration of Kobe, in celebration of the Dodgers, in celebration of the views, in celebration of everything, this one is for my dog Rich, and this one is for a lucky subscriber or viewer. I'm not giving it away, obviously, but you can have it for retail. You know, I have no use for it. I'm not trying to make any money off anybody. So if you see this video, feel free to message me and see if these are still available. Size 11.5 and the Dodger Kobe 6 that we will be talking about today. This is a pretty short, brief history, but let's talk about how my day went today with the live cop. So, first and foremost, woke up this morning, took my L on sneakers almost immediately. Pending for about 2 minutes maybe, but not anything crazy. Then I get a message from Jeremiah, who I was kind of banking on to go to social status because I needed a ride back today, having some car issues. Pray for me. I see a got him on my screen from Jeremiah. I'm like, dang, I ain't gonna have nobody to take me back. And so I look over here and this fool been copping the arm sleeve. So Jeremiah got the Dodgers arm sleeve because there's a ton of baseball stuff that came out with these shoes. So he got the baseball sleeve. Then I look at my phone again. This man Rich done copped the whole catcher set. The catcher set was $800. He said, he messaged me. He said, what the hell? I said, nah, bro, what the fuck? No way you really went for that and got him. So, obviously, I'm sure he'll return or sell or whatever the case may be. He definitely was trolling, and then they they proceeded to take his money. So, I'm sure. I mean, I don't think he's upset with his decision, but I thought that was crazy that Jeremiah did it trollingly, like, oh, look, I got this, and then Rich does it too. But he gets the $800 catcher set. So now I don't think he canceled it. So it'll be coming here. Not here, but, to him. And he'll return it or sell it or whatever the case may be. So, and then I was able to, like I said, get 2 pairs. Jeremiah was able to get his size. So everybody wins. I unfortunately was not able to get a 12 for Kobe, who was trying simultaneously at social status in Charlotte. So, I'm proud of my boy. If you're watching this, I'm proud of you for entering on sneakers and going to social, because when I was giving you the instructions, I did not have a lot of faith that you were going to follow through. I thought you were going to, be like, nah. So I'm proud. You are an official sneakerhead. Welcome to the community of L's. That's just how it is. So this shoe doesn't have a lot of history, so we'll talk briefly. Obviously, this shoe is an LA staple. It is a nod. It is homage. It is everything just to a tribute to Kobe. So we got, obviously, so let me bring out both of them real quick. What's up, guys? I also forgot to mention that 1 year ago today, I did go to social and hit on the Lightnings. That was my first ever social raffle win anything, my first time at social status. So today was a momentous occasion celebrating my 1 year anniversary to, I guess, real sneakerheadism and cop stuff, but I forgot that because I was moving so fast and it's so late, so I'm gonna add that. All right, so extra set of white laces here with blue aglets. Lace tips. We got a baseball stitching here at the top. the Kobe Bryant signature here on the back. The number 8. Number 8 on both shoes. I don't know. I guess 8 is what he was wearing when the Sixers came out. I'm not 100% sure. Please don't flame me in the comments for saying that. I really have never been I'm not a Kobe stan. I never have been. So, but he must have, or they would have put a 24 on one of them. But there's really not a whole lot of details to this shoe except for the fact that it's Dodgers blue and it's got baseball aspects and it's a Kobe, you know. I think these white shoelaces might make these look clean, but this is overall is a pretty cool looking sneaker. I didn't want them for myself. I do like Kobe 6s, but this just wasn't doing it for me. You know, this is like very one-dimensional. There's only so many things you can wear with this. So it's not the first time Nike has given us a Dodgers, I don't want to call it collab, but Dodgers type shoes. You know, they've done other LA classics like Cortez. We've gotten a Dodgers LeBron 7 that was back in like 2021 or so, something like that. But yeah, I mean, there's really just not a whole lot to talk about, you know, besides this. Like, obviously, Kobe was a regular at the Dodgers games, you know, when he was here and when he was playing in Los Angeles for the Lakers. He was obviously there all the time. And I think every summer now, since his passing, the Dodgers have had a Kobe night. I don't know what day it is, but yeah, that's a every summer thing, annual. So that's cool too. You know, I think they were obviously paying respect to him before he passed, but I mean, he is probably the most winning late LA character person of the modern era. You know, maybe not of all time, but of the modern era. You know, Robert Horry has like 7 rings, but some of those were with LA, but not all. So yeah, modern era Kobe is the winningest. I hate that word. LA compatriot or competitor, athlete. Yeah, athlete. That's the word I was looking for. It's been a long day today, y'all. I didn't. My day started at like 8 o'clock. It's 11 p.m. So I'm gonna keep this real short and sweet and to the point. Somebody hit me up about this 11.5. You know, if it's here, I'm still here. I do plan to get rid of it for retail. So, you know, lucky subscriber, lucky you. Speaking of that, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on this video. We are pushing for 500 subs by the end of June, and it is almost June 1st. We need about 145 more. So we're counting on you guys, so we can get you guys memberships, so we can get some merch out, so we can do a bunch of cool, fun things with you guys. And we really appreciate everything, whether it's a comment, whether it's a like, whether it's a view. I appreciate every single one of you, and I know my pod mates do too. Y'all stay fly and stay safe. I will see y'all out on the next video. Peace.